All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be taking a look at LAZR, LAZR. This is Luminar Technologies, and this one is up massive. Okay, I mean, let's look at this. It bottomed out yesterday at 1333 in the after hours, and then ran all the way up to 1674. Almost hit $17 today. Let's go ahead and look at some of the call options for LAZR, and it's up really big. If you look here, 2,400%. I mean, just insane prices, I mean, these things probably all went from like $1 or two per contract to like 47.50, whatever they're at right now. So huge props to you if you were able to scoop up some of those LAZR call options yesterday. I know they paid very beautifully today. However, I'm shorting it. Okay. I got in on LAZR. It rallied up huge, and unless this is about to start short squeezing or be a reversal, which I don't really think that the market is about to reverse, right? I think that there's still a lot of fear and FUD and uncertainty, in the market right now. And I think that this is a little bit of an overreaction, okay? Why the price drew, rised up so high. If you look on the 1 hour chart, we have a 1 hour daily, or we have a 1 hour gap down to 1350. That's going to be really interesting to see if it fills. I have a play for February. I have the 16 puts I bought for February. Those should be good, to catch this in case it does gap down to 13. But for right now, I also have some of the LAZR. What do I have? The 15 puts that expire tomorrow. They're super cheap, right? I think I got in them for around like 20 bucks a piece or something like that. I don't know, I can't remember. But if you look at the open interest here, right? There's 6,000 contracts open interest that's being held, right? So this is more contracts being held than on the call side, right? So the call side has 18. For the 18 strike, there was 5,400 calls in open interest, and for the 15 puts, there was 5,900 open interest. So the puts are outweighing kind of like the calls a little bit, right? Like, I mean, if you look at these here, the 20 calls, these are people who were just like, FOMOing into LAZR and buying tons of LAZR call options for the 20 strike, um, you know, for January. And now those are all going to expire worthless, basically, right? But what's happening basically is, in my opinion, there was maybe some institutions, market makers, something like that. Somebody bought a whole bunch of shares of LAZR, right? Somebody just went all in. It was like, okay, I really like LAZR, Luminar Technologies. We're gonna put a big bag in them, right? And they did it, and like right when market was opening, in pre-market hours, and then when market opened. So that's what I think is real interesting, and I think that we're going to start to see some retail traders and some other people who may have been bag holding on LAZR and could be down significantly. Those people might be taking profits today on LAZR, and maybe that's why you see it sell off. Now I could be wrong, and LAZR just continued to skyrocket up. But when things run up massively, they also pull back just as hard. So the puts are up on LAZR, up 30% on those right there. So those are just some cheap ones. I'm just holding those, a few of those, because they might go up to like 100 a piece, 150 a piece, something like that. And if you got in at like 20 cents, that's a pretty good return on your investment, right? So that's like 10x almost. So just kind of wanted to update you guys on LAZR. I really do like the technology and the things behind LAZR, right? And I think that we're basically going to come down here into this weekly demand zone. Okay, so if you don't know about supply and demand, I have a tutorial in the top right hand corner of this video. But basically, I am drawing the demand zone right now for you guys on the weekly chart, and this is where LAZR is going to find some support. Okay, so if you look here, we've already bounced and touched it a few times and found some support. And I think that if we stay below this resistance line right here on the daily chart, I think that we're going to come back down and find some support somewhere in this demand zone. Now, we may not go all the way down to 10. It may find support at 13, 12, 11. But I do think that laser is going to drop back down unless the market sentiment reverses, right? Because as of now, fear and FUD is still high in the market, and that's what's been it's kind of in control of the market, right? Is the fear and volatility. So if that continues, then these puts will pay off nicely, as they were very discounted today because of the massive run up that laser had. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay.